I will teach you how to use search and rescue in OpenCPN. First, click the icon star under the option, there, and this box will appear. The four tabs are parallel track, expanding square, sector search, and lastly oil rep. So it varies on different kind of location of our rescue objects. So let's focus first on parallel track. So those are the parameters, and okay, so this is the heading or course, search leg length, number of leg, track leg, and lastly the search. So the first one that we are going to discuss is the initial leg course. Initial leg course is where the point of course from the CSP. CSP means start of search or datum. So for example, our initial course is 0-30 degrees. So its face is on northeast. Then our search leg length is 3 nautical miles. This is the search leg. For the track space, this is the track space. It is the connection to the track leg. So let's put here 0.5, then after that the number of legs. Those are the long lines here. So as you can see on the video, it has 6 number of legs. But for now, let's put here 4 number of legs. Then our speed must be 5. The next one is the route for ship. If it shows 1 unit only, you will be given an option if it is starboard or port side. It depends on our search object. So if the search object is here, then let's choose starboard. But if it is on the other side, let's choose port side. We also have 2 units, but for now, let's use 1 unit. So let's proceed now to our datum or start of search. We can just click here and the details will automatically appear. For the cursor, it is up to your cursor where it is pointed. So once you hover your cursor here, its location detail will automatically appear. So let's calculate now the distance and time of the operation. Click calculate, then you can see the distance is 13.5 while the hours is 2.7 hours. We can now generate it and we can save it to anywhere we want to. So for me, I will save it to desktop. So once we save it, let's go to the route and mark manager. Then this is what will appear on your screen. You can see any route here at the moment, so we are going to import the one that we saved earlier. Let's locate the file that we saved earlier, then click open. So this is what you are going to see on your chart now. The parameter we set, parallel track. As you can see, the course we put is 30 degrees nautical east. Then let's hide it, then proceed to the expanding square. In expanding square, for example, Our initial course is 90 degrees. For the leg spacing, it is the space here. So let's put 0.5. For the number of legs, it is the total of all of these legs. It doesn't matter if the legs are long or short. All of that are legs. So let's put 13 for the number of legs. And for the search speed, 5 knots. Click Shift, then calculate to know the distance and time. So what we got is 24.5 nautical miles and 4.9 hours. Let's generate it and save. So let's go to Route and Mark Manager. Locate the last file we saved and import it. So once you click open, you can see this now on your chart. This is the pattern. It is for close vicinity. Let's proceed now to sector search. In initial course, let's put 90 degrees. The next is search radius. So the search radius is the circle here. And let's put 2 nautical miles. The search speed is 5. And the number of passes is 1. After that, let's click calculate so that we can see the distance and time and generate it. After that, click save. And after you click save, let's import it. Then the chart that we made will appear on our chart once we import it. So it indicates here the pattern from search point to 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 until the end. So what if our number of passes is 2? Let's generate it and import. So once we are done importing it, this is what will appear now. It doubles and the scope of area is much better for our search pattern. So let's hide it and then proceed to oil reg. For oil reg, our initial course is 0.45. So let's put here 0.45. After that, the leg space is 0.2. Then the number of legs is 10. Lastly, the search speed is 5 nautical miles. So let's click calculate to know the distance and time, then generate and import it. So let's save it here, and we are going to import it now. So this is what we are going to see on our chart now. So this is the oil reg. This is how we do it. So that is the last search pattern we have. So we only have 4 search pattern in our search and rescue plugin CPN. It is indicated here how it looks like and what is their coverage depending on the situation or the most probable location of your search object, and you can choose here the search pattern that is most applicable on your situation. That's all. Thank you.